What's the meaning of actual bodily harm? Actual bodily harm. 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 Actual bodily harm is a legal term used to describe a physical injury that goes beyond a mere scratch or bruise, but does not result in a grievous or life-threatening injury. It is an offense under the criminal law of certain jurisdictions and refers to harm or injury that is deemed to be more than merely trivial. The consequences of actual bodily harm can vary, but may include pain, discomfort, loss of function, marks, scars, and bruises. The severity and extent of the harm will depend on the nature and force of the injury inflicted and can range from minor cuts and abrasions to broken bones and more serious injuries.